Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Sound and Vibration. This is where Android centralizes tones and volumes. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you can hear tests, and check the notification volume slider. If you plan to use a custom file, place it in internal storage or Downloads now. Android reads tones from those locations. This first step prevents permission or visibility issues later, and it gets you straight into the menu, where you can change the notification sound. Now tap Notification Sound to open the picker. Android shows system tones and previews so you can audition quickly. If you want a custom tone, choose Add Sound or pick a file through the Files app. Android will open a picker to import it. Once the file is selected, the picker usually previews it. Listen and compare several options. Take your time here because the chosen tone affects how quickly you notice alerts, and you can change it per app later if needed. Once you pick a sound, tap Save or Apply so the change takes effect. Android remembers that choice system-wide or per app. After applying, test immediately by sending yourself a message or using the notification test option in Settings to confirm volume and timbre. If the custom tone doesn't show up, make sure it's in a supported format like MP3 or OGG and move it to the Notifications folder in internal storage. Then restart the phone. This often resolves visibility and permission hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.